So this is the newly launched Dyson V12s Detect Slim Submarine. This is the latest vacuum cleaner launched by the company और आज ही इसे भारत में launch किया गया है. And just to answer a few relevant questions regarding the newly launched device, today we have with us is Ankit Jain, who is the MD at Dyson India. Let's find out.
This product has a lot of technology in it. Our engineers have worked very hard on adding a very strong wet cleaning attachment or capability to an existing very strong dry vacuum. It has an 8-point hydration system. The clean water bin is extremely visible. It's only 300 milliliters of water. Every pass is with clean water, and it gives superior performance because of the technology it has. No. While the machine is built on a V12 platform, it is in a sense a completely new machine. It is not backward compatible. It has a very different set of internals as far as software is concerned. So as of now, it's not compatible with any other model or previous V12 models. We will have to, but it's worth the upgrade. Yes, other tools remain the same. There is just one switch instead of the carpet tool because India is more a hardcore country. We're just going to replace that with the wet attachment, but other tools remain the same. As of now, we're launching V12 Submarine in India. We definitely look forward to launching more products in the country in the near future.
अब बात करेंगे हम इस newly launched wet attachment की. मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि ये कैसे काम करता है. And I'm also going to show you the demo of this attachment. So the new wet attachment offers an 8-point hydration system, meaning 8 water jets evenly spaced along the roller. The tool releases precisely 18 ml water every minute to wash floors evenly without leaving excess wetness. Furthermore, the motor-driven microfiber roller removes spills and tough stains. Well, now it's time to show you the demo. Guys, what do you think about this newly launched attachment? Let me know in the comment box. ऐसे और stories के लिए all you need to do is stay tuned to catch times.